In order to add spots or circles to the egg, click Ctrl, then click on Mask Rect, and we will select the Mask Lasso tool. It gives you the freedom of selection. I'll show you what I mean in a minute. Once you selected, click on Ctrl and create your circles. As you see, the shape is highlighted. Keep pressing Ctrl and do the same all over the egg. Keep in mind that when you select one area, the opposite area also gets highlighted. When you are done with all the highlights, press Ctrl and click on the canvas. Now it is the circles that are selected, which means we are able to fill them with color. Choose your color, then click on Color and Fill Object. After that, click on Ctrl again and click on the canvas. And this is what your egg will look like.
Resicron.